You're looking for a modern round fixture for your studio, bathroom, hallway, staircases, and more that accepts a narrow bulb. This may be something that you are looking for in your lighting needs. And what we're going to do is show you what this product is about. This is a company called JERANDO. It is a round ball sconce, bathrooms, hallways, staircases. Put it on the wall, put it on the ceiling for small bathroom studios and more. We're going to show you how they are packed in the box by opening up. When you get your light fixture, carefully open up, and they are packaged well. The instructions are laid on top, so please be careful. This one comes in gold. It has the bracket, and it's got the frosted glass round bulb, around 5 to 6 inches in diameter. As you can see, it's styrofoam inside, and we need to remove the plastic film. Bulbs are not included. 4.75 by 5 and 3/4 or so, and by 6 and change. It is a 6-inch round bulb. You could unscrew and carefully take off. It is easy to add in a bulb of your choice. The product is UL listed. We have a Edison LED bulb that we simply place in, screw on to the plastic housing. It has the screws to take off on each side, and inside will be your hardware. You get 2 bolts, anchors, screws, and wire nuts, washers. It has the metal screw socket that the bulb will not go in, so please make sure you put in the correct bulb. These are refrigerator bulbs, and these are narrow type bulbs, the bulbs that you will need for your fixture. Simply grab the bulb, align up, and screw on once again, and take the cover, and now correctly place in your bulb and screw on. With the supplied bolt, the bracket, place on to the light junction box. With the bulb, place in your leads and lock down. As the fixture is installed and you need to place in or replace the bulb, unscrew, place the bulb in, and simply realign and screw back on. From the ceiling, you can see it's flush with the ring, a nice washer. For additional lighting, you have the bulb, bathroom, in a studio, wherever you need to have light. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you're looking for in a lighting need. Once again, thank you for viewing.